Hey guys, good day. For this video, I'm gonna unbox my newly bought phone, which is the Vivo Y20s. To start with, this Vivo costs only. I will reveal the price at the end of this video. But for now, as you can see in the box, its RAM is 6 gigabytes and its ROM is 128 gigabytes. RAM stands for random access memory, which is the memory that is in charge in the processing of all applications and other processing systems. While the ROM, or the read-only memory, which is 128 GB, is the storage of the phone. Okay, look guys, klarong klaro, Vivo to. Okay, so the color of this phone is obsidian black. Let us try to look at the back of the box. So 120SG, so it has 680 gaming processor. So this phone is very saktong-sakto sa mga gamers. It has 5000 mAh battery, which is good for long-lasting usage. It has 11 watts fast charging charger and slide fingerprint. As you can see in the box, it is obsidian black. So bagong-bago pa to guys. Oh, May 9, 2021, date of manufacture. Okay, without further ado, let's open the box now. Hala. Oh guys, look, naglalight to. Yung Y20s niya, naglalight siya, nagre-reflect sa ating room light. Okay, let us open now the box. Charan! And another box. This one has the phone inside. Let us now get the phone, and here it looks. It's so sophisticated. Joran, the obsidian black. This is the back part of the phone, how it looks. So beautiful, so elegant, so nice looking, good looking like me. And this is the front portion. Okay, this is the front camera, and it has triple camera at the back. So nice guys. Okay, let us set this aside first. It has SIM ejector tool. It has quick start guide and the important information and warranty card from Vivo. Okay, so if you have time, please read this important information, warranty card, and quick start guide for you to be guided the proper ways on how to operate this phone. Wow! It is also free jelly case, transparent jelly case. Look guys, it's so not so sturdy, but it looks decent. So pwede na to guys. Oh, it has charger also. To 18 watts charging, fast charging. and its cord, the cord is here. Micro USB siya, hindi siya type C, but that's okay. There's no problem for me. And there's nothing more in this box. Wala na, guys. So set this aside. Set aside the cover. Let us set aside the charger. Let us set aside the chili case and the important papers. Set this aside all. And now let us the important unit, which is the phone. So let us turn this on. Okay, on na. Okay, so there are already pre-installed applications. Okay, marami-rami ding naka-installed, guys. But don't worry, this phone has 128 gigabytes of ROM and very fast 6 gigabytes of RAM. So tamang-tama to sa mga gamers na katulad ko. Sana all. So maganda siya, guys. Responsive naman siya. Nagsiswitch agad. Let us open. Connected na siya sa Wi-Fi. Let us open the Google Chrome browser. So accept and continue. Next. Yes, I'm in. Dapat no thanks. Okay, allow. So let us do some searching or browsing. Google. So fast naman siya. Let us go to YouTube. Ang bilis niya namang mag-load, no problem. Ang bilis niya mag-load. Ito, sino to? Kalapi Church. Okay. Very responsive naman siya, guys. Walang problema. Ang bilis niya kasi 8 gig of RAM ito. So ang bilis niya. Ang bilis niya, guys. Let us play this one. May ads. Skip natin na yung ads. Okay. So maganda siya. Yung display niya, hindi siya super AMOLED, but decent naman yung display niya. Maganda siya. Okay. So maganda ang phone na to. Marami siyang pre-installed apps, but do not worry kasi 128 gigabytes yung capacity storage niya. So in terms of camera, babasahin natin, guys. Uy, pila man eh. In terms of camera, meron siyang 8MP sa front cam at sa rear cam niya na triple camera ay 13MP, 2MP plus 2MP. Ang battery niya is 5000 mAh. May dimension na 164 by 41 by 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 mm. Ang screen niya ay 16.55 centimeters or 6.51 o 1600 by 720. Yun na, guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo after using this phone. ang mga sample pictures at sample videos niya, at i-reveal ko din ang review nito later on. Okay, maganda siya guys. So pwede ito sa mga wala masyadong budget, kasi yung price pala nito is only 9,999 pesos. For proof, meron akong resibo dito, 9,999 pesos. Okay, 9,999. So sa mga tight ang budget, ito nang bilhin nyo guys, Vivo Y20s. So that's it guys. Tapos na ang aking unboxing ng Vivo Y20s. So for more videos regarding phone unboxing, please stay tuned in my channel. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Ingay ng motor.
Thank you for watching guys.
So that's it guys.
Let's for today.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And that's for
So
today.
bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all.
Hi guys!
Good day.
Good day, I am Love
And I am Live.
and welcome to
Love and Light channel.
channel
So we're here in Calapi Church.
Yes.
Located in Calapi, Bohol. At nakita namin yung church dito is maganda, kaya napa-stop over kami. Dito
Oh,
yung
tingnan nyo
background.
guys, ang ganda niya. Ganyan. Yay! Ito yung Calapi Plaza nila. Plaza ba to, Hap? At ang church. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda ng building. Ng church. Picture.
So, pag meron kayong time guys, punta kayo dito sa bisita kayo dito sa Calapi Church, dito sa Calapi, Bohol, para ma-witness nyo ang majestic
Na
church dito.
sa Calapi, Bohol.
Naging lalong mas maganda siya guys, kasi na-restore siya na parang bago yung pintura. Hindi. Siguro last year? Oh. Parang ni-restore siya, kaya lalo siyang gumanda. So